Hi everyone, welcome back to Vital Signs. Today, we're discussing a topic that many of us face but often overlook: gut health. Is your gut suffering? Stay with us because we're going to explore 7 natural ways to improve it. Before we get into the solutions, let's talk about why gut health is so important. Your gut, also known as the gastrointestinal tract, plays a crucial role in digesting food, absorbing nutrients, and protecting against harmful bacteria. A healthy gut can boost your immune system, improve mental health, and even help maintain a healthy weight. But what happens when your gut is out of balance? You might experience symptoms like bloating, constipation, diarrhea, and even more severe conditions like irritable bowel syndrome. So, what can you do to keep your gut in top shape? Let's look at 7 natural ways to improve your gut health. 1. Increase fiber intake. First up, fiber. Fiber is essential for good digestion. It helps to keep things moving smoothly through your digestive system. Foods rich in fiber include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and legumes. Try incorporating more of these foods into your diet. Not only will they help your gut, but they'll also provide essential vitamins and minerals. Remember, a sudden increase in fiber can cause gas and bloating, so gradually increase your intake to allow your body to adjust. Aim for a mix of both soluble and insoluble fibers to ensure a balanced diet and optimal gut health. 2. Stay hydrated. Next, let's talk about hydration. Drinking plenty of water is crucial for your digestive health. Water helps break down food so that your body can absorb the nutrients. It also softens stool, which helps prevent constipation. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day. Herbal teas and water-rich fruits like watermelon and cucumber can also contribute to your hydration needs. Staying hydrated also helps maintain the mucosal lining of the intestines, which is essential for nutrient absorption and a strong gut barrier. In addition to water, try incorporating broths and hydrating smoothies into your diet. These not only add to your fluid intake, but also provide additional nutrients that support overall health. 3. Probiotics and prebiotics. Probiotics and prebiotics are vital for maintaining a healthy gut microbiome. Probiotics are beneficial bacteria found in foods like yogurt, kefir, and fermented vegetables. They help keep harmful bacteria in check and promote a healthy gut environment. Prebiotics, on the other hand, are types of fiber that feed the good bacteria in your gut. Foods like garlic, onions, bananas, and asparagus are excellent sources of prebiotics. By consuming both probiotics and prebiotics, you create a synergistic effect that enhances the growth and activity of beneficial gut bacteria. Consider adding a daily probiotic supplement if you're not getting enough from your diet. But always consult with a healthcare provider before starting any new supplement. Also, try to include a variety of probiotic-rich foods in your diet to ensure a diverse microbiome, which is key to gut health. 4. Reduce stress. Did you know that stress can wreak havoc on your gut? Chronic stress can lead to inflammation and digestive issues. It's important to find ways to manage stress effectively. Activities like yoga, meditation, and deep breathing exercises can help reduce stress levels. Even spending time in nature or enjoying a hobby can make a big difference. Research has shown that stress management techniques can directly influence gut health by reducing inflammation and promoting a healthy balance of gut bacteria. Try to incorporate some stress-reducing practices into your daily routine. Your gut will thank you. Simple changes like taking regular breaks, practicing mindfulness, and engaging in physical activities you enjoy can significantly lower your stress levels. 5. Get enough sleep. Sleep plays a critical role in your overall health, including your gut health. Poor sleep can disrupt your gut microbiome and lead to digestive problems. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night. Establish a regular sleep schedule and create a restful environment to improve your sleep hygiene. Good sleep habits also help regulate your circadian rhythms, which play a crucial role in digestion and overall metabolic health. In addition to a regular sleep schedule, avoid eating large meals late at night. This can help prevent indigestion and promote a better night's sleep. Consider creating a bedtime routine that includes relaxing activities like reading or taking a warm bath to signal to your body that it's time to wind down. 6. Limit processed foods. Processed foods often contain artificial additives, preservatives, and unhealthy fats that can harm your gut bacteria. Try to limit your intake of processed foods and focus on eating whole, natural foods. Opt for homemade meals made from fresh ingredients whenever possible. Your gut will benefit from the extra nutrients and lack of harmful additives. Additionally, whole foods provide a variety of fibers and polyphenols that nourish your gut microbiome and support overall health. Reading labels and being mindful of the ingredients in your food can help you make better choices. Simple swaps, like choosing whole grain bread over white bread or snacking on fruits and nuts instead of chips, can make a big difference. Point 7. Stay active. Last but not least, stay active. Regular physical activity can promote healthy digestion and improve your gut health. Even simple activities like walking or stretching can have a positive impact on your gut. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise most days of the week. Physical activity also helps regulate bowel movements and reduces the risk of constipation. Incorporating a mix of aerobic exercises, strength training, and flexibility workouts can provide a comprehensive benefit to your gut and overall health. Remember, consistency is key, so find activities you enjoy and make them a regular part of your routine. There you have it, 7 natural ways to save your gut and improve your overall health. Remember, making these changes doesn't have to happen overnight. Start with small, manageable steps and gradually incorporate these habits into your routine. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health tips and information. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Share your thoughts and any questions in the comments below. We love hearing from you. Stay healthy, stay happy, and see you in the next video.